All right, what to do, everybody? Daily vlog starting right now. And we're here, we're coming to, where are we coming?
Knott's Berry Farm.
Hell yeah. So we're gonna start the day at Knott's Berry Farm today. Start the day, it's like 3 o'clock already, 3 p.m. Saturdays always take us forever to start our day.
I know.
To get out of the house. So we're gonna come to Knott's and I wanna see what I can get here to eat that's low sodium. Because I don't wanna be going home all hurting. And no fried stuff. Unless it's tater tots, maybe tater tots. But that's about it. Or a baked potato. You want a baked potato?
Yeah.
The killer baked potatoes they make? Oh. Let's go. But let's see. Let's go. Oh, they're gone. All right, we're in. Pro tip, as soon as you get here, try to get something to eat. Especially you got the meal plan. You get something to eat as soon as you get here, so that in 4 hours you can get something else to eat. Because you know you're going to be hungry for later.
Yeah.
I am. Did the grumpy man wake up? Still grumpies? Should we release the hounds?
Release the hounds.
Let them out? All right, let's let them out. Come on, Matthew. Let's go see the horses. Horses! Horsey over here, look. She's a horsey? She's a horsey? All right, we got to make our way through Ghost Town.
Oh, look, there's a little bar right here now.
Where?
The
Oh, yeah.
wood cutting's gone for Christmas time.
There's a bar. I'm looking for a coffee bar, though. What's the pizzeria place called? You can take a picture? For the Knott's group? For the Knott's group. It's called Wilderness Patio Bar. Para los crudos más mudos. What's up? Me and you were just saying it's pretty, for the most part, it's pretty chill today. There's not a whole lot of people here. You know, it's kind of like manageable, huh?
Empty.
It's pretty nice. And we're here at the pizza place. Pizzeria. So, it's full. We've even seen full in there. We gotta go through a lot of squiggles to get in there. All right, pizza, let's go. Yeah, so what do we got, Matthew? What do we got? We got ourselves a slice of pizza. They got a cheese one over there. We got the meat lovers one over here. Boysenberry punch. And you get a side salad or 2 garlic breadsticks. I went with the side salad. With some ranch. They have 3 dressings. Ranch, Italian, or Caesar. Caesar.
Double the Caesar.
Oh, you can get as many as you want. And Matthew's all,
Get it all.
right? Get that pizza, boy. At least he likes pizza. I know that.
Yeah.
Let's see how the pizza does with me. All right. Put my dressing in my salad first. Did I get a fork for me? Yes, I did. It's a Caesar. They're all Caesar salads.
Oh.
I didn't know that Caesar salad was the cheapest salad to make. Because they give it away free everywhere.
Right?
Whenever they say you get a free Caesar salad, you get a free Caesar salad. I don't mind. As long as I can put ranch on.
It's Parmesan cheese like I give you at home too.
Okay, no, you eat it. You eat it. It's good. Thank you. Man, you gave me a piece right now. Maybe it's cheese pizza. My boy loves to share. I love that about him. He was sharing with Bailey yesterday.
I know.
Before he had the reversal.
Yeah. Here's your juice, Ben. You're thirsty.
It's hard to mess up a salad that you see fresh. And the pizza doesn't look that bad either. Pretty good. It's not like the best pizza I've ever had, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna be like that guy.
It tastes better than the Camp Snoopy one.
Oh yeah. That was like some DiGiorno stuff. This is Tombstone. I could be like the pizza review guy. The guy online.
Oh.
I give it a 4 stars. 4 out of 2. 4.5.
Okay, pizza review time. 6.6 on this one. There you go. That's a review.
It's not bad. I think we always eat bad here because we always go to the barbecue place.
Yeah.
The barbecue place is like
And it's all carbs.
here's some corn bread,
potato.
big potato, mac and cheese. Even though it is pizza, it seems a little responsible, I would say. You like it, Bob? You like the pizza? Why you look so angry? He fell asleep on the ride over here, so he's kind of like, let me eat, get on my face. Want some coffee? Milk chocolate would be, chocolate milk would be his equivalent for him.
There you go.
He's shy. He won't eat until you put the camera down, Dad. Well, that was a delicious lunch at the pizzeria. It was pretty good, huh?
I liked it.
Now we're gonna go on a search for coffee. We're gonna see if that coffee spot's still there from the Christmas.
Yeah.
But you just give them like $1 for an extra espresso shot
And the hot cocoa.
and a hot cocoa. Hot chocolate and coffee at the same time sounds delicious. Come on, little man. Go. Go. Can we take him on this ride with
No,
the?
because there's a height requirement on this.
Really?
He can only go on any height ride.
Oh, this seems like an any height ride. It should be an any height ride,
Should be.
but it's not.
But it's because they have the bar lap, the lap bar that comes down.
I know, but Knott's Berry Tales. I like Knott's Berry
Let's
Tales.
see where the number is.
Let's go see. Let's see how tall you have to be. Come on. Come on, let's go see. 46. No, you're way too short, buddy.
He's got a while.
You've got a while. Sorry, buddy. Sorry.
I think you can ride with us.
Upon further review, and that nice man down there helped us out. It's 46 inches if you were riding by yourself. But if we go with him, he can ride. Yeah, we're gonna ride. We're gonna go shoot some pies. We're gonna go slang some pies at people, man. Come on, buddy. But first, coffee. There you go. Whoa. There it is. There's the coffee shop. I knew it was gonna be permanent.
What you looking at?
Taking a little pit stop because Matthew is crazy. He is so lazy. What are you doing? Just trying to take a little breather. We walked almost like the whole park. We're kind of tired. We got our coffee. We got our little cookie that was delicious. But now this guy needs a diaper. That's why he's all antsy. Peed his pants. You okay? Don't show fear. Right. All in all, having a good time though at the park for the most part, huh?
Yeah.
It's a good time. Where are you running to? Gotta pee, huh? You got pee pee. Look, the roller coaster. This is the only roller coaster I can get Dee to ride. When I went through the queue the first time, she was all scared, like, no! Like, trust me, it's a baby one. It's a baby roller coaster. There it goes.
Do you want to go to the swings or?
It's gonna come around this way, watch. Here it comes. I see the people. And there it goes. Jaguar. Yeah.
75-minute wait.
Oh, hell no. I'm good. I wait.
No fast lane here.
Oh, no. What?
Yeah.
It's got me messed up. There's no fast lane here. It got me all messed
I
up.
would totally use fast lane here.
Right. I know you like that. You like this one, Ron. There's no loop-de-loops. That's why she likes it.
And no drops.
And no drops. They put little pine trees up. They got little Jeeps. You could probably ride this with Matthew.
Yeah, you can ride in the back.
Mm-hmm. Nothing like coming to Knott's with the family. I've yet to see a single berry here, though. Okay, let's go.
There's people waiting behind.
Oh, was it? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go. Matthew's having a good time. He gets to hang out at the lounge, all the free chips and cookies and boysenberry he can drink. No napkins, please, no napkins. Oh, and all the free Wi-Fi you can have. We made it to the evening. We're almost there, D.
We're almost there.
Our goal is to stay to get 2 free meals
Yeah.
because we don't want to pay.
And I want some roasted cashews.
Oh, we're gonna get some roasted cashews right now, though.
Over there, over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Knott's looks pretty nice at night, though. Nice.
Train.
See the train?
You guys call it the mine train. I never
Yeah.
had it taken to mine train.
We will. I think he'll be able to do that. It'll be like a fairy tales, accompanied guests only.
Yeah. Cashews. Nice and warm.
Are they warm still?
A little, yeah.
Let me see. Try one. They're like candied, huh? Delicious. Let me see.
They're roasted.
Roasted and candified. You see how I put them?
Oh, yeah.
You can fall asleep, fool. You didn't even know it. Let me get a little more. I like them because they're warm still. Delicious.
Thank you for the cashews, babe.
You're welcome. Let's go see if we can get on the ride.
Okay.
Come on, Matthew.
Sliding it.
Yeah, it lights up green. Oh, where y'all going? Wow. No. These are no way.
Bye.
Bye, I gotta go. It's time for lunch. Time for dinner.
Matthew, it's gonna bite me in the ass. Matthew's gonna grow up being a big thrill rider.
Yup.
Go on the coast. Just bite me, Hall. We're here for you.
I don't want to be like Phil, who was nearly throwing up trying to take him to Disneyland.
Yeah. You couldn't handle Big Thunder.
I know. I love Big Thunder. We're at Coaster's Diner. We're checking out the menu. And I was looking up the stuff they got. They got roasted chicken tenders for Matthew, hamburgers, jumbo hot dog, which I can't get. French fries, but I did see the salad bar there. Focus. Chicken club salad. So another place I can get a salad at. Come here to Coasters. We're inside the official boysenberry elevator.
Dun, dun, dun.
Boysenberry Tails is upon us. Papa's, we're gonna go on Boysenberry Tails. Hope it's not down. I hope we're going the right way too.
There's only one way.
There's stairs. I don't know if the stairs are for us or not. Maybe those are emergency exits maybe.
Yeah.
I'm going this way though. Yes. Hey, we just wait here. Yes, we just wait here. Come on, buddy. We wait here to be loaded. Fast lane, here we come. There goes everybody. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody. We'll see you all the next time. Yeah. Time to ride. How about you? You excited, buddy? Yeah, we're excited. We're excited. Look at those foxes. Make sure those foxes don't take our pies.
They're gonna take them.
Yeah, I'm ready for this ride. Can't wait to take them on it. You'll have fun. Boysenberry Tails. Ready? Let's go. Somebody shoot him. Shoot him, Bob. Shoot him. Because we're in the bakery. You gotta shoot him, D. I'm recording everything. You gotta pull him. Here, try this gun. Oh no, you're shooting. You're shooting stuff. The foxes. You gotta shoot the pies. Right, Papa? Get those pie thieves. Yeah. Shoot the foxes. We'll fox them. There they are. Wow! Shoot him here too. Get him! Whoa! Thunder Hollow!
Oh, that air feels good.
That felt good? Oh no! Gotta get on the little foxes. I'm shooting with one hand. the little foxes. Oh man. Oh, the big pie. They stole it! You let them steal the pie? That's so unlike you. No, we're sorry, Bear Family. Yeah. Whoa! Shoot him out of the sky. Whoa! I got him. We got him, Pops. Yay! You did it, Matthew. Hey, wanna hold the gun?
Hold the gun.
What'd you get? I got like 34, 200. Now this is like, ooh. You always win. You always win. Matthew said, can't update chromium. In stock chromium. Sorry, your gun crashed. Bye, bears.
Oh, we didn't get to see your photo.
No, because it broke.
Oh, man.
There you are. And there's,
Look at Matthew's gun at the top of his
you can just see the top of his head. Somehow you only got 12. You got 1,200 points.
Oh, God.
What'd you get? 111,000? Look at that face.
I got 62 pies. Matthew got 1 pie.
You look like a blind person having fun. That was great. Oh, no. You almost got it. Did you have fun, Pops? Did you have fun on the ride? That was fun now. We had fun. Now we're just waiting to eat dinner. We are like 20 minutes away. Then we can get our next meal. And after we get dinner, we're going home. We're going home? Yeah, we're gonna go home after. That's where my stuff's at. I like going there.
Yeah.
You too? What about you? Sí, güey. What do you want to do, Pops? Quiere comer, quiere comer. Ouch. Can't see my tater tots, it's so dark over here. Too dark. There we go. Disco, that's perfect. Let me see yours. Let me see those bangs. Oh, that looks pretty good. I want that spicy sauce.
Saucy.
There's a little boy over there. Stop blinding him. It looks good though. Really good. Definitely got to do it in the dark. Oh, they put some onion. You said, huh? I smell them. I smell them. Oh, they put a lot of chili in there. Whoa. I was hoping there was gonna be some dried ones for him. They're all covered in chili.
I have a dry one.
Want some French fry? It's potato. You like potato? That sauce is good. I like the sweet sauce. The Bang Bang chicken are good. Guess I'm tasting the sauce already. I put chicken on top.
Uh-huh.
A little more? Yeah? You just thirsty? There you go.
Not hungry?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't have to be hungry. Oh, he threw up all over himself.
I brought extra clothes.
Okay. We is ready to go. You ready to go, D?
Yes.
You have fun today?
Yeah.
Me too. I'm full somehow.
It was a good day. We took our time, just
Yeah.
walking around, seeing what's new. We're in that limbo time of like after Christmas and before Peanut celebration.
I know. But it was fun.
It's nice to get Matthew out to walk around, but it was a fail because he was in the stroller most of the day. So he better go to sleep right now.
Trust me, he's gonna go to sleep. I promise you that.